Hello and welcome. You're watching Too Sharp with ET and I'm Nisha Poddar. Now, the two important news developments that we have accumulated for you for today that you must know about. Well, Trump softens the auto tariffs and Amazon's Project Kuiper takes off to rival Starlink. US markets got a boost after reports that Donald Trump is offering tariff relief to auto companies. Now, the White House confirmed that foreign car makers will not face the overlapping tariffs. So, Trump offers auto tariff relief, and that's, remember, positively impacting the markets, and there is some relief seen. Now, the companies that already paid higher duties on steel, aluminium, or cars will be reimbursed. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, he has called this move a major victory for Trump's trade strategy. He said that it rewards firms that manufacture in the US and also gives more time to others planning investments in their country. But US-China tension still looms, and that's a big worry for the global markets. No major negotiations are underway between Washington and Beijing right now. China rejected Trump's claim that he recently spoke to Xi Jinping, and the US still has separate 145% tariff on many Chinese goods. So China has retaliated with its own 125% tariffs. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said that the ball is in China's court to de-escalate the tensions. So the investors are also watching important economic data coming out this week, apart from the trade war tension. So the major tech giants, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, all are reporting their earnings. Plus, also remember the important data of US jobs creation numbers and the Fed's favorite inflation gauge are due also coming up. Analysts warn that if tariffs stays high, markets could face renewed pressure by mid-year. But if tariffs ease, stocks could keep climbing despite softening surveys on business confidence. So there's a lot to be watched out for. Amazon's Project Kuiper takes off to rival Starlink. This is a big fight. Amazon has successfully launched its first 27 satellites for Project Kuiper. Now, Project Kuiper is Amazon's $10 billion effort to build a global broadband internet network. It's seen as a direct competitor to Elon Musk's Starlink program. On timeline as well as rollout plan, well, Amazon eventually plans to launch a total of 3,236 satellites. It must launch at least half, that is 1,600 odd satellites, by mid-2026 to meet the US regulatory deadlines. If all goes well, Amazon hopes to start providing internet service to the customers later this year. Up to 5 more Kuiper launches could happen before the end of this particular year. So what's Bezos' strategy for beating Starlink? Well, Jeff Bezos believes that there's room for a lot of winners in the satellite internet market. Kuiper will focus heavily on rural and remote areas where connectivity is poor. Amazon's consumer experience and AWS cloud expertise are seen as major advantages. Now, Amazon's user terminals will cost less than $400 and will be compact. One model is the size of a Kindle. So let's take a look at the Starlink challenge. SpaceX Starlink already has a huge head start over Kuiper, with over 8,000 satellites already launched. Now, Starlink serves more than 5 million users across 125 countries. SpaceX is launching new satellites at a pace of roughly 1 mission per week. So they are quite ahead at this particular moment. Analysts say that Amazon will have to really move fast, but still has a good shot given the massive global demand for internet services. So tech giants Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have taken their fight to the outer world. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp with ET. Do stay tuned to us every day and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks so much.